willen weten of ze dat weghalen.
Hello guys, welcome to Netherlands.
Yes, good morning guys. Yeah, another day, but actually also the last day now already. Yeah, we are at the train station already, as you can see, and we are waiting now for our train going back to Germany. Yes, and what do you think about Netherlands?
Really good.
Very good. I have to say also we had a really great time here. Time went very fast now going back.
Hier, alle, okay.
This place.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Danke.
Bitte?
Wenn Bus fahren. Ja.
Wenn Bus fahren. Letzte Mal heute. Ja.
Busfahren.
Yay, Bus fahren.
Ja, die ist kaputt.
Ah, nicht kaputt. And made it back to the hometown. Yeah, after arriving here, went to the supermarket, bought some food for dinner. The children really crazy after noodle and yeah, the sausage. So they going for that. We have another things. I think Tick also going for mama or something, which he packed in Thailand, bringing over here, and it's yeah, more than 1 week already that she really had no Thai food, and then she said, okay, I need, and then okay, she making mama with something from the supermarket now, easy to mix, whatever. Yeah, so yeah, it's evening already. We will enjoy the time by ourselves, and I hope you enjoyed the trip together with us as well. Yeah, take care everybody, and we see us very soon in the next one. Bye bye guys.